In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CRM account in GoodDay. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to move through the prompts so your CRM is set up correctly and ready to use. Let's start from your main GoodDay workspace. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a small grid icon made up of 9 dots. This is often called the More icon, and it's where GoodDay keeps additional apps and modules that aren't shown by default on the main menu. Go ahead and click that 9 dot icon. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse slowly along the left panel until it appears. Sometimes it's slightly minimized depending on your layout. When you click that icon, a menu will open showing different tools available in GoodDay. From this list, look for the option labeled CRM. The CRM section is where you manage your customer relationship data, like accounts, contacts, and related activities. Click on CRM to open it. It might take a moment to load if it's your first time accessing it, so just give it a second if the page seems to pause. Once the CRM module opens, you'll be taken to the main CRM area. Here, you'll have options to add or manage accounts. To add a new CRM account, you'll typically see a button such as Add Account, New Account, or something similar, usually located near the top of the screen. Click that button to begin entering the details of your new CRM account. Now it's time to fill in the details. You'll see a form with fields like account name, company information, contact details, and possibly additional fields such as industry, status, or notes. Take your time here and make sure the information is accurate and as complete as possible. The more detailed your entries are, the more useful your CRM will be later for searching, filtering, and reporting. If there are fields you don't need or don't know yet, you can usually leave them blank and update them later. After you've filled in the necessary details, simply follow the on-screen prompts to finish the setup. This might include reviewing your information, confirming your entries, and finally clicking a Save or Create button. Pay attention to any required fields highlighted on the form. If something is missing, GoodDay will usually let you know before you can save. Once everything is confirmed and saved, your new CRM account will appear in the list, and you'll be ready to start using it for your customer management activities.